Sunshine Girls defender Latanya Wilson and her family escaped injury after their home was destroyed by fire on Thursday morning on Rum Lane in Kingston. More in this report.
It's not the best sight or feeling to wake up to. Your place of residence completely ravaged by fire. The pain and anguish falling at the feet of world-rated Sunshine Girls defender Latanya Wilson and her family of 13 on Rum Lane in downtown Kingston on Thursday morning. New clothes are no more. Books are a thing of the past. That, along with burnt furniture and appliances, tell the tale of the damage done to the dwelling of the families by the fire. Wilson has been home since returning to the island with the Sunshine Girls squad that won bronze at the recent World Cup. She also celebrated lifting the Suncorp Super Netball League title with the Adelaide Thunderbirds a month ago. However, the anguish of having nowhere to rest your head and your family to find peace after a firebombing is gut-wrenching for the 23-year-old.
At the moment, we have nowhere to go, so we're basically on the street. I spent last night staying up because I didn't have anywhere else to go. And just watching everything, knowing that I haven't saved like anything, no clothes, no shoes, nothing. Everything that I'm wearing now was being given to me, which, as I said, it's sad, but also I'm grateful that I'm alive and I'm well.
Wilson is not sure what's next, but while everything except her laptop, passport and other personal devices was lost, there's a ray of sunshine for her.
Looking at the positive side of life and knowing that this is just life, there's nothing you can do about it. It's more of how you get back up, and for me it's more of not letting this be a factor that will hinder me, but more so of a motivating factor to actually help me to push even more harder.
Even in the darkness, there was light for Wilson, who saw her teammates Adine Thomas and Giselle Allison, along with her high school manager, Pastor Derek Brown, visit after the ordeal.
I mean, when I heard the news, I was devastated. So I came quickly to, just be here for her. And it doesn't look well, as you can see, but I just want, Jamaica or anybody, that knows Latanya or supports her to just come on board and just give her a helping hand.
They are desperately in need of accommodation and, of course, clothing. I guess they'll have to get some clothing today, because all the clothes were burnt out. They were, the fire, I gather, started from a neighbor's home. So there are 3 yards that are affected on Rum Lane. And so all those persons, including Latanya's family, are going to be in need of immediate help.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange says the ministry will be reaching out to help Wilson and her family. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.